Here at USA Machine Rebuilders, we understand the importance and urgency when your machine tool breaks down. We specialize in rebuilding and refurbishing machine tools and bringing your operation back online. Upon receiving your machine, we go through a rigid 14-step process that includes cleaning and inspecting all parts, repair and upgrades to all electrical systems, scraping and flaking column ways, and custom painting the machine along with all accessories. We have recently been acquired by All World Machinery, which only expands our capabilities and repair services. Whether the work is performed in-house or on-site, you can trust us to get your machine back to top operating conditions within a 2-week turnaround. We offer a 1-year guarantee on accuracy under normal operating conditions. Every step of the repair is performed by expert technicians with over 40 years of combined experience. If you are looking to rebuild your Bridgeport, Okamoto, Harig, Mitsui, or Hardinge lathe, USA Machine Rebuilders is your #1 stop.